Hello everyone, I'm Malin. Welcome back to the lesson. Hope that you are doing well. Okay. From my previous lesson, we discussed about present perfect tense. Now we are going to learn about present perfect continuous tense. Okay, let's begin. This present perfect continuous tense also called as a present perfect progressive tense. This tense we use to express an action started in the past and continue into the present moment or have recently stopped. Okay, before going to identify uses of present perfect continuous tense, let's talk about a structure of present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is formed by using subject plus have or has plus auxiliary verb be past participle form been plus verb present participle form. Like present perfect tense, this tense also we use have with plural subjects and has comes with singular subject. When we make negative statement, we use not between auxiliary verb have or has and been. Questions are indicated by inverting subject and auxiliary verb have and has. Okay, run. Now let's look at uses of present perfect continuous tense. We use present perfect continuous tense to show that something started in the past and continue into the present. Here we use words like for and since to indicate time expression. Okay, let's look at some example. Look at this example. I have been working on this project for 2 weeks. She has been living in this house since 2010. They have been cleaning their house all day. John has been waiting for him for an hour. Okay, let's look at the first example. I have been working on this project for 2 weeks. Okay, here we use subject I, so therefore we use auxiliary verb have with been and verb present participle form. Here action started in the past and it continue into the present moment, and also we use time expression for 2 weeks. Okay, let's look at the second one. She has been living in this house since 2010. Here also action started in the past and it continue into the present moment. We use singular subject she, so therefore we use auxiliary verb has. Okay, look at the next one. They have been cleaning their house all day. Here also action started in the past and it continue into the present moment. Subject they, it's a plural subject, so therefore we use auxiliary verb have, then be verb past participle form been with verb ing form cleaning. Okay, look at the last one. John has been waiting for him for an hour. Okay, here also action started in the past and it continue into the present. Here we use John singular subject, so therefore we use auxiliary verb has. Okay, when we consider this all example, it's clear this action started in the past and this action continue into the present moment, and also we use word for and since to express that time expression. Okay, run. We can also use this present perfect continuous tense to indicate that action started in the past and action stopped recently. Look at these examples. I am tired because I have been running. The street is wet because it has been raining. You don't understand because you haven't been listening. Okay, run. Let's consider first example. I am tired because I have been running. Here action started in the past and it stopped recently. That is why I am tired, because I have been running. Okay, look at the second example. The street is wet because it has been raining. Okay, here rain started in the past and at the moment rain stopped. Action has stopped recently, but action started in the past. Okay, look at the next one. You don't understand because you haven't been listening. Here also action started in the past and stopped recently. Okay, run. Now let's look at how to make negative statement with present perfect continuous tense. When we make negative statement with present perfect continuous tense, we use not between auxiliary verb have or has and be verb been. Okay, let's look at some examples. He has not been paying attention. I have not been feeling well for 2 weeks. They have not been speaking for over a year. Okay, look at the first example. He has not been paying attention. Here subject he, therefore we use auxiliary verb has. Then we use not to mention that negative statement. Then we use be verb been and verb present participle form paying. Okay, let's consider next example. I have not been feeling well for 2 weeks. Here also subject I, so therefore we use auxiliary verb have. Then we use not between this auxiliary verb have and been to mention that negative statement. Okay, look at the last one. They have not been speaking for over a year. Here also same, we use plural subject they, so therefore we use auxiliary verb have. Then we use not to mention that negative statement, and we use not between auxiliary verb and be verb been. Okay, remember again, when we make negative statements we use not between have or has and been. Okay everyone, now let's consider how to make questions with present perfect continuous tense. When we are going to make questions, we exchange the subject and auxiliary verb have or has. Look at this example. Has he been living in Bangkok since he left school? Have they been working on this project for an hour? How long have you been learning English? Okay, look at the first example. Here we use has at the beginning of the sentence because we use singular subject he, and also we use auxiliary verb has at the beginning of the sentence because we are going to ask question. And second example, we use have at the beginning of the sentence because we are going to ask question, and also we use subject they plural. Okay, look at the last one. How long have you been learning English? So here also we use WH question, how at the beginning of the sentence. Then we use auxiliary verb have because we use subject plural you. Then we use be verb been and verb present participle form. Okay everyone, remember again, when we ask questions we can exchange the subject and auxiliary verb have or has. Okay everyone, in this lesson I mentioned about present perfect continuous tense and its uses. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you soon with another grammar lesson. Bye bye.